Good morning, guys. It's our last day in Rome. We're taking train papuntang Sorrento. And ganito kadami ang tao. Oh my God. So, dito kami sasakay. Oh my God, ang haba ng train, guys. Parang mas maganda siya sakyan.
Hi!
See you on our next destination. Ayan na. So, ito yung itsura sa loob ng train. And we're going soon. Guys, nasa Napoli na kami and sobrang lamig! And guys, the worst part is it's raining. Tapos ang lamig. Woo! Benj, ano? Laman ka pa, ha? Forma-forma ka dyan, ha? Hindi malamig, ha? Ayun na si Samantha, si Lion King. Yan! So we are at the bus station going to Sorrento. So Benj booked the tickets here sa Flix bus. And we are just trying to keep ourselves warm here kasi ang lamig, guys. So ayun na yung bus namin, guys. Alam mo na Benji. Right here. Ayan yung si Benji. Ang suot niya hindi pang winter, guys. So lamig na yan siya. And this is us. Naging habibi na kami sa lamig. So that's our view, guys. Welcome to Sorrento, Italy. OMG, ang ganda, guys. This is so breathtaking. Wow, wow, wow. Worth it ang biyahe. Oh my God. Guys, welcome to Sorrento. Southern part of Italia. Oh my God, ang lamig dito but sobrang ganda. So ayun na yung bus na sinakyan namin. Hahanapin lang namin yung hotel kung saan kami magsistay. Guys, another bus papuntang hotel. It's a prank, hindi pala nalalakad. 44 minutes walk. At ito kami.
Magpapatransfer na lang.
Guys, winter. Tapos nasa beach kami. Hindi nyo ma-imagine kung gaano kalamig. Tingnan nyo naman kami. Yung scarf ginawa na naming hijab. Tapos hindi pa namin mahanap. Ayun yung sinusundan namin. Sana tama. Wow, nagawa mo pang manloko, Sam. Hirap na tayo dito sa lamig. Sabi niya, guys, aakyat pa daw kami dun. Tingnan mo naman ang line niya. Paano kami aakyat dun? Oh my God. Tingnan niyo naman yung tsura namin. Mukha pa kaming may energy pa umakyat dun. Samantha, yung Google Map mong bench, ha? Ayan na, Hotel President. Ay, ito yung sinasabi nila, guys, na
It's the journey.
the climb.
It's the climb.
Ah. Oh my God, umuulan na.
Ganda rin naman.
Umuulan na, guys. Umuulan na. Oh, sus, ginoo ba to? Finally, guys. Ito yung hinahanap naming hotel. Oh, tik na yan. Nasa beach, tok-tok ng mountain. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng view. But you won't imagine yung room na nabook ni Benj dito. I'm gonna show you. In 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Oh my God. The best part is about to come. Look at that view. Yung hirap sa pag-akyat here is just worth it, guys. Oh my God. This is literally a holiday. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Ang sarap magkape dito. Ang sarap mag-emote. Oh my God. Guys, finally, kakain na kami. Laki ng tinapay kasing laki ng mukha ko. Look. That's Sam and Bench. Mga gutom yan. But our view is giving. So this ends our vlog today. Update na lang on our next day. Bye everyone!